Hello, everybody. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I got a mystery box 10 from Diamond Art Club. I am excited. I have already opened this box. I was a participant in Starlight Starbright 70s Live today, Thursday, and she allowed me to open my box on her channel during her live. So I opened it, but now I'm going to show you all in case you missed her live. And we're going to open each one so I can see if I got any trading cards. I may not have, but we're going to take a look anyway. All right, are we ready? Let's do this. Okay, we are going to go in size order, well, smallest to biggest. I got 4 canvases, guys, 4. Here is one. Let me lower this a little bit. Yep, there he is. I'm holding on to this guy. He's Harry Potter, Lovable Half Giant. So I don't know if there's going to be a trading card in any of them. So we're going to find out. And this was actually originally sold on Amazon. It's got that Amazon sticker right there. So I'm not going to do an unboxing because this one is, I think this one is an older one. Yep, because this has the little sticker. This one has the original toolkit. So let's see what's in it. Oh, adorable. I love that washi tape. That is so pretty. Let's see if you can see it. Nah, you really can't. It is cute. They're not hearts, they're little flowers. And look at that cover minder. He's an Easter bunny. That's what I'm calling him, an Easter bunny. And then your typical squishy and the pen. Yep. And the heart wax. And I like this tray with the stopper in it. I do like those for the small projects. And bags. And I do like to keep my bags. So there is that. No card in that one. I think I want to see. No, we're going to do another video for unboxing. We're just going to check out the cards right now, I think. What do you think? Yeah. So you'll have to tune back in to see the canvas. It'll be soon. Don't worry. All right, we don't need that, but I want to keep that, and I can't get it all back in here. There we go. And the little sticker. And then I want to close it. So there is, I have seen Harry Potter events on YouTube, and I haven't been able to join them because I don't have a Harry Potter canvas. Now I do. The next one is one of my, I'm so happy I got. It is the cute little bed of roses. Look at the kitten. I'm very happy with this one too. So far, we're at a win-win. Yep, Diamond Art Club got rid of some stuff, and I got, so far, 2 that I'm super excited about so far. Okay. This one I think is an old one just because of the box. Don't think there's going to be a trading card in this one. We don't need to hold on to that. And here is the old toolkit. So let's see what we got. This is the washi tape. It's a green one with little flowers. It's a flower with a green stem. Cute. And here's your typical cover minder, the flower, the rose, and more baggies, and the tray. So we're going to put this all back in there. Nice. I like it. The only thing I don't really like about it is the pen. So, yep, you're going to have to come back for another unboxing. I didn't even get a little sticker with this one. No little sticker, unless it's inside the canvas, but we'll determine that in a little bit. Well, I will. Okay, let me move these guys over here. Okay, the next one I am willing to part with. I like it. I do like it. But it's got too many dark colors. It's a Mandie Manzano. This one is called Mary, Did You Know? I like it. I do like it. Color palette's too dark for me. I will not finish it. And it is beautiful, so I don't want to start it if I'm not going to finish it. So if one of you out there are interested in this one, you know my email. It's in the bottom of the video. Email me and let's work something out. Let's do a trade. Let's see if this has a card. This one has the old 35 colors. Beautiful. And it's got 310 and it has 939. So it probably has a lot of those in there. And I will go over this unboxing in another video, so stay tuned. And I have a feeling this one may not have a card. No. No card at all. And this probably has the, oh, this has the white putty. It's got the baggies, the putty, extra putty, and everything will stay in it because it'll include everything just as you see it. You will get the original toolkit. You'll get the pen. everything. And there is no card. Not in this one. So far, there's no cards. So not only am I not getting bronze, but I'm not getting a card either. So that's this one. This one is my favorite in the whole box, besides the little kitten. So it is a Randal Spangler fresh powder. Isn't he cute? He's got some bags of flour behind him, flour and sugar, and I love to bake. Look at him. He's 34 by 20, so he's quite big. So maybe there'll be a card in this one. What do you guys think? Maybe, maybe, maybe. Maybe, maybe, maybe. This is not. These scissors are horrible. Horrible. So is this knife. Okay, let's see. It's got the new style box. It's got the pull-out drawer. It has the putty pen. It has the old case, or not case, envelope. There's a better picture. Got 54 colors. Love the color palette in this one. Now let's see. What do you think? There's a card. There's a card. There's a card. And I think it's a bronze. Let me compare it to my other ones. I think it is a bronze. It is a bronze. Yep, they all have the same back. They're all bronze. I have more in the back room, but I'm going to put them all in one place. So that's the card. Pretty soon I'll be able to play like Go Fish with all my bronze cards. We'll play against somebody and we can see if we can get a match. So that's going to go in there. So that was my quick little video to see if I got any cards. And out of the 4 kits, I got 1 bronze card, and I got 3 kits that I'm actually going to keep and 1 that I'm going to trade with anybody. So let me know what you have. I don't like dark color kits. I like colorful. I don't prefer to do people's faces, but occasionally I'll come across an image I like. So email me if you'd like to do a trade on the Mandie Manzano. And that's what I have for you today. Just this quick little look-see. In the next few videos, you will see me unbox them. Have a great day and be kind to everyone you meet.